I have a Bauknecht Stuttgart 1609 laundry machine. And this laundry machine has a problem. Sometimes the drain pump does not work. 9 out of 10 times there's no problem at all. But once I get this problem. As you can see here, you see the error P and F. And if I look at the manual, it says a draining fault. Also the manual says that there could be something blocking the hoses. So what I did is I took apart the laundry machine and I cleaned all the hoses and checked for any components. There was a lot of junk in the filter. And I cleared everything out, and afterwards it worked again. But still, sometimes I still got the same problem again. That I received the P and F error code, and the washing machine was not drained. Also in the manual it is stated that I can operate the drain pump manually. There's a special program. It's let me see. It's called. It's called afpompen reset. It's basically a function that, in case of an error or situation that the laundry bin is still filled with water, you can drain it by just operating the pump. So I think that the problem is located in the pump, so that's why I tried a few times this function, because the function only takes a few minutes. And when the pump is draining correctly, you hear something like this. And in case the pump is not working correctly, you hear something like this.
Ja, wat geluid is dat? What kind of sound is this? Not good. Oh yeah, I can hear the pump. The pump is behind this. Yep.
So the question is this pump really broken or not? Please let me know in the comments below. And maybe next time I will make a video how I replaced the pump.